talked about Gyokeres and how, if you remember, when I posed, Martinelli is ahead or behind, however you want, or in front of the defenders. Look at where Gyokeres is. This is what I'm talking about. This is what he has to bring in his game. Pose. That's Gyokeres. There's no way right now that the defender should catch you.
But what should he do though, Thierry? There, so
that first touch,
because he's trying to bend his run to stay
obviously,
on
you're going to see he's going to be on side. But what I'm trying to say is, when that ball's going to be played, please roll it. Now, pose. Go back a tiny bit. Stop. That ball has to go here.
Across the defender.
There's no way
anybody will catch
that those guys should catch you if you take care of the ball properly. He's going to have two chances to do it. He won't do it. He doesn't even look at what's happening. He's praying. They are praying. But that first touch is not good.
This thing Thierry Henry talk now, it reminds me of the match against Leeds. I think it was Calafuri or Zumendi that gave him that over the top pass. That first ball control puts the ball inside. They want to dribble two people back. But here I can see what Henry is trying to say. He mistimed this pass. But you know the funny thing, people when they use this thing when Henry they talk now, they bash Gyokeres online. Saying no good, no fit control ball, no fit. It can happen to anybody. Even this Henry when they talk. I think we'll give you compilation of goals where Henry miss on the platter of gold. But the ones who say no control well during his own time, even though he be legend, though, it happened to him many times. I think we show you Eliala. I will show you Sakun. I will show you Watkins. Even Salagon. I will show you. It can happen to anybody. So when I know this and enter my guy away.
Going to be good. Roll it. Second touch. Pose again. Look at go back. Sorry. Look at how he's gonna go like this.
Is that a confidence thing or technical thing?
Yes. Look, we all know that he's been scoring, but away from home, that has to be a goal. Martinelli made it a goal. And he did not have the space that he had. And obviously, he didn't take the ball well here. Nor there. Let it go. Next thing you know, pose. Go back. Here. There is no way, from what we saw from the halfway line, that you're going to put your hand on me to make sure that I'm not going to unleash and have a 1v1. He should have had a 1v1. You miss, but you should have had a 1v1.
So if Arsenal want to win the Champions League, they need to do this a lot better.
Hopefully it will happen. I'm just saying the difference being going 1-0 up and still staying 0-0.
All right, so I don't know that I don't see this video. I say make I just bring them to an attention.